Tēnā koutou, wonderful to be with you today. Hastings Boys High School, the venue for the first round of Super 8 coverage, and wonderful to be on Whakaata Māori and celebrating the best of rangatahi sport. Well, two proud schools are coming together here for what will be a massive clash in the Super 8 comp. Today, Hawke's Bay Pride taking on the boys from Taranaki. Two very proud rugby schools, rich in history and tradition in Moiho, but it's going to be one of those classic hard-nosed. Hastings Boys High School playing from right to left, and wonderful to have you with us here at Whakaata Māori. We're underway, 70 minutes of Super 8 action. This is round one, live on Whakaata Māori. Wonderful to have you with us. And look at this take, what a superb start as the big man carries it immediately across the halfway line. And the boys from Ngā Motu in for a good start, but a little knock on, so deep, it's climbed up, retrieved from Paya. Now looking to use the ball. Good centre field run, this time for Mark Kyong. He sets it up through the hands. It's Ioasa who has the football. Drives towards the line, needs some support. This is good play here from Tauranga, but it's pushed towards the touchline. Tim, that they're trying to create. Both of these teams will hold them in good stead as we run through the first 10 minutes of play. Now this is a split and a beautiful opportunity starting to shape up now for the visitors from Taranaki. Into the hands of the half, Sheehan, who works it across. Now the forwards will come to work. Some pressure on here for Tauranga, and New Plymouth with the football. The young kicker stepping in to get the first three.
Kua mahue.
Now, turning it down the left edge as well. Now, Tauranga got to be on the ball, a stepping run, and a beautiful finish, almost. Awaits the runner. I think that was with Petit Boyton. The big guys are having a roll through at the line.
Tata tonu te kapa o Ngā Motu ki te whai piro. Piki atu, piki mai te paoro me tana ringa te toro atu ana ki te rārangi piro. E tika ana ki a whai piro tēnei kapa. Ko here taunga te hoariri. Ara I awa te kiki. Rima ngā piro.
It's the best chance that Hastings Boys High School have had so far. Here's the throw in. It's gone deep. Right at the back of the line out. Now the push is on. Tauranga sensing an opportunity. They're close to the line, but they need to keep control of the football as MΑORI steps in. Into the hands here. Out to Akiong. He'll work it as well. Tauranga, beautiful pass out to the fullback and a lovely finish as well. It's Jimmy One Ratuere who is in to score the first try for the home team. The home team, Hastings Boys High School, wanted, needed. This is a tough conversion. It is wide out. It's swinging around and it's looking good. It's looking el perfecto mondo.
Po he noku kei Ngā Motu ki te paoro engari ko Tauranga tēnei. A me kiki pe I te paoro, hei a te kiki, o mahia te paoro. Ara ko te ha, te waiwai para huti huti. Katahi te tangata tere ko tēnei ko teha. Me te tōia mai, me te pāhi whakaroto. Ko patahi o te kapa. Ko mika I o asa engari me mihi ka tika kia teha.
Gabe Deha. Well, look, there's not much of him, but I tell you what, he has got some wheels. Let's check him out again. The opportunity, this is a 90-metre run. Beautiful ball, holding up the pass superbly was Mikaele. Look at Deha go down the right edge. Fantastic. And to have the foresight to think on the inside and to have his run of the Iwasa. A superb effort. I don't know if he didn't go that far, but get the picture. This is from wide out. The young fella had good from the far side of the field. He's done it again.
Pauroka Kay Davis. Kātahi kārua ko te pauraka, pāhi whakamuri ana me te kuihi. Tuku tuarua, ki te taha matau. Ko ia me tōna kotahi kei whea te tihi hoa. Kai tautoko māna. Rua mita mai te rārangi. Kei wanga pū I te whira, ko ratu tēnei. Tau ana te paoro. Ki mua tonu I ngā pau kaura, kua kiki I te paoro ki te taharano. Kei reira he hoa, ara kua piro, a ngā motu. Mahi māhunga tērā.
For an exciting first round of Super 8 rugby we're witnessing here from Hastings Boys High School. Here's the kick. Flags are up, scores locked up, and we're in for a couple of minutes of exciting football. Lots to like about the attitude on show here this afternoon. Wristwatch, no doubt. Here's the throw in here from Tonga Weha. Nice play. MΑORI continues to do well. This time it's Kati Akyong. And danger times now once again down that left edge. Lovely run again. This is Corday with BT Boylan in for 2 tries in the space of 3 minutes.
Ara, te kiki tautoko, kua pai. Ara, ko te tangi o te panga I te whira. Me mātua aukati a here taunga I te MΑORI o ngā motu. Kei reira ngā nama, kei reira hoki e tohunga tepe. E pakaru ana I te rutu, ko te topa tahi tērā e mihi ana ki ona tūpuna.
Here. Love the way that the number 10 straightened late.
So,
Work hard to secure this in line out time. This one, yes, it's held by the home team. Here's a chance to set it up as they go wide again. Looking at numbers on the far side of the field. Little offload and step back into the traffic across the line and a superb finish. Wonderful finish. MΑORI Rotorua is in for try number 2. The ball some lateral movement, but you can't do so until you've earned the right through the forward play. And this one hits the sticks and rattles them as well. 20.
however,
Hastings Boys High School with the football now. Across the advantage line. Now, cutting through, but here's the pick-up again. Here's your danger man. He's got it again. Good day. Try number 3 for the flying winger. BT Boylan gets another one for New Plymouth Boys High School. He just really snaffled that one though, didn't he? There's the conversion from close range. And no problem. 35-9 as the rest of the Super 8 comp unfolds across the next few months. So here the Tonga have the football this time. Into position. Halfback calling for it. Tama Butler directing the traffic at the moment. Rolling maul here from the young men from the home team at Hastings. Clever play. And it's coming back now into the hands of Butler. Butler will send it across the field. The runners are all in position. The wing is freed up on the far side of the field. That's a dive to the corner, and it's a wonderful try as well. This time, it's Rotorua is into score yet again. Brilliant play from the home team. Pretty cool, all right. Difficult.
decent strike. It sounded nice. Ngari, auare ake.
You would think here for ngā motu.
Ai, tēnā koe Dale, tēnā hoki koutou, e mā taki mai nā, me ngā pikitia, e whakahua tiana e lauku keko. Pick and go, Prawa me te pata. As they march their way up the field. Mā motu, taina rātou te whakakapi I te kemu. Mā tēnei piro whakamutuna. Haere takirua ana. Kei reira te referee. Kei reira hoki ngā ringa o te haukainga. Ko natu. Wheua. Tepe, reti. Te taha mau I naine. Te whanai te pauro ki te papa. Kakama ngā ringa. Ko tana piro tua whā te rā. E kao engari. Nā tētahi atu.
Here, Super 8 Rugby's in good health. If today's performance is anything to go by, this one sliding across the face of the goalmouth. Some brilliant tries. Quality's always high, and the rivalry between the kura is always worth noting as well. A gorgeous day down here in Tauranga didn't turn out for the home team, but what we have witnessed is 40-odd players have just been willing to give their all here as the kick to touch on the far side of the field secures the victory at New Plymouth Boys High School, successful with a 40-24